So, but we're gonna start off with we'll just go, increasing piece size. So this is only 14 pieces, and we go 101, 180, and then 565. These shouldn't take too long, and then we'll get into the serious stuff. Apparently, these are tailor-proof boxes. I'll just rip it up one from right here. That did a lot of good. Oh, that's very small. Set that down right there. This shouldn't take too long at all. Instead of a booklet, we have a pamphlet. That's it. that is literally it. That is all the instructions this thing came with. And then some information on the back. Ah! Lego head running away. Oh yeah, this isn't going to take long at all. There we go. Apparently I can't get his hair on. Come on. There. Hello, dude. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Whatever. Happy New Year! Yes, happy New Year. And then him with the helmet. It's focusing on my shirt, not the little guy. How about this? There we go. Nope, that made it worse. I'll just leave the helmet on there. All right. Oh, look, they already have a wheel. Oh, I was about to say they already have a wheel attached to the bike, but it's got like a little motor on it. It's still spinning. Oh, it's actually got a flywheel inside of it. Oh, it's probably, does it do like a wheelie or something? Doesn't say. So we'll just keep building it. See what happens. And I guess I'll throw it along the desk and see if it spins. I did that backwards, but it's okay. Come on, get on there. Urgh. And little flame. Always gotta have the flame. Gotta have the flame. And looks like it just comes with the extra visor for the helmet, and I'm just gonna shove his hairpiece in here. And an extra piece right there. Get his little hands and put him on the handlebars. And yeah, there we go. And we're done. Now, what are you supposed to do with this? You're supposed to push it and then let it go? Oh, shit. That's what it does. Oh, it just keeps rolling. Ah! I thought I could do a wheelie, but I can't. Oh, shit! That was fast. Apparently that's what it means by 3 right there. You go 1, 2, 3, and just let it rip. I'm sorry. It went flying across the room, and then my cat Pippin tried to pounce on it. Don't know. Let me show you. He's looking at. Oh no, never mind. He decided it wasn't worth it and walked away. I'll get it later. Okay, there wasn't. That's 1 out of 3. 1 out of 4. That was easy. That was fast. Done. Probably need to go get my other one. Give me a second. Apparently, when I shot the motorcycle guy off, the flame went a little erect. How wonderful.